Adaptations. Adaptations are morphological, physiological, and behavioral adjustments of the organism that enables the organism to survive and reproduce in its habitat. Examples. Kangaroo rat in North American deserts can survive without water. Because of the absence of external source of water, their body get water by the oxidation of fats in their body. To minimize water loss, they excrete urine in a solid form. Many desert plants have xerophytic adaptations like thick cuticle, sunken stomata, and reduced leaves to minimize water loss through transpiration. They also have a special photosynthetic pathway called CAM pathway that enables the stomata to remain closed during daytime. Some desert plant like Opuntia, the leaves are modified to spines to reduce water loss. Here the photosynthetic function is taken over by the flattened stems. Mammals from cold climate have shorter ears and limbs to minimize heat loss. This is called Allen's rule. Aquatic mammals like seals in the polar region have a thick layer of fat called blubber below their skin that act as an insulator and reduce the loss of heat. In stressful situations, some organism shows physiological adaptations. When we go to high altitude mountains, we can experience symptoms like nausea, fatigue, and heart palpitations. This is called altitude sickness. This is because in high altitudes, the atmospheric pressure is low, so the body does not get enough oxygen. But gradually we get acclimatized with it. The body compensates low availability of oxygen by increasing the RBC production, decreasing the binding affinity of hemoglobin, and by increasing breathing rate. That is why the tribes live in high altitude of Himalayas show higher RBC count than people living in the plains. Some organisms show behavioral responses to adjust variations in the environment. Desert lizards bask in the sun and absorb heat. When their body temperature drops below the comfort zone and move into shade when the temperatures start increasing. Some species are burrowing into the soil to hide and escape from the above heat.